Good morning, students. For the last class, we discussed 8086 microprocessor architecture, pin details, and difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Okay, we know that architecture of microprocessor consists of two units. One is BIU units and EU units. BIU means bus interfacing unit. The function of this unit is it fetches the instruction and store into the queue. From the queue, it receives the instruction by EU unit and executed according to the instruction. And we know that 8086 has 16-bit data and 20-bit address lines. That 20-bit physical address is generated by using segment address plus offset address. Then only we get the proper 20-bit address. So these are the point we are discussed in the last class. So let me discuss about 20, that is 8051 microcontroller pin details. Why you need to know the pin details? Because if you plan to do project using this IC, you should know each and every pin's functions. Then only you can use properly and get the proper output. Okay. Now 8051 consists of 40 pin DIP configuration. So DIP means the IC consists of 40 pin. It is from this 20 pin is assigned in one side and 20 pins are assigned in another side, which is called a dual in package. Simply we can say it is a DIP. Not all the ICs are DIP configuration. For example, 7805 regulated IC pins are assigned one side only. That is, we call it as SIP. SIP means single in packages. And some ICs having the pins in all four sides, which are all called a quadral in package. That is QIP. Nowadays, all the ICs are in QIP format only. Okay. Now 8051 consists of 40 pins, in which the pin number 40 is assigned for the power supply and pin number 20 assigned for the ground. Along with this, 32 pins are used to assigned for IO ports. IO port means that there are 4 ports are available in 40 pins: port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. And this is the pin diagram of 8051. See the diagram. The port 0 assigned pin numbers are 32 to 39. And also it has some additional functions, which is AD0 to AD7, which means address and database. And for port 1, the pin numbers are assigned for this 1 to 8. It consists of 8 bits. And also for the port 2 also having 8 bits, which is assigned pin numbers are 28 to 21 to 28. And other alternate functions are assigned for this pins are A8 to A15, that is higher order address bus. For the port 3, the pin numbers are assigned from 10 to 17, and along with this port, some additional functions are assigned for this port, which there are RxD and TxD serial communication, interrupt, timer, and then read and write operation. So except these ports, others remaining pins are available, that is pin number 18 and 19. Pin number 18 and 19 are assigned for oscillators, which is generate the clock pulses. And pin number 31 is EA, external access, and 30 is the ALE, address latch enable, and for 29 is PSEN, program status enable. Now we can see the pins in detail. Pin 1 to 8, which is assigned for the port 1, and it does not serve any other functions. It is internally pulled up bidirectional I/O ports. Pin number 9, this is assigned for the reset pin, which is used to reset the microcontroller to its initial value. And then pin number 10 to 17, it is assigned for port 3. Also it serves some special functions like interrupts, timer input, control signals, serial communication signals, RxD, TXD, and etc. And then pin number 18 and 19 already I mentioned, they are assigned for the crystal circuit which generate the clock pulses. Pin number 20, we know that it is provide the power supply to the circuit. And pin number 21 to 28, it is assigned for the port 2 and it serves I/O port. Also another functions are assigned, that is it act as a higher order address bus signal are also multiplexed using this port. Pin number 29 is PSEN and 30 is EA and 31 is ALE. If ALE is high, the ALE means address latch enable. If this pin is activated high, it acting as a address bus. When it is activating low, it is acting as a data bus. Likewise, EA is external access. If the pin is activated high, we are using the internal memory, and when it is activating to low, then we are using the external memory. We are using the external memory or internal memory, which is decided by the PSEN, that is pin number 29. If it is activated high, we are using RAM, we are using ROM. When it is activated high, we are using RAM. So this we are using whether RAM or ROM is decided by the PSEN pin. So these are the pin details of 8051.